Rahim. This is a short lecture regarding one world substitution. Let's start. Succession of rulers belonging to one family, dynasty, take great player, reveal, tending to move away from the center of axis, centrifugal, that which can be believed, credible, that which cannot be avoided, inevitable, that which cannot be called back, irrevocable, that which cannot be defeated, invincible, that which cannot be easily read, illegible, that which is practicable by touch is tangible, that which is without opposition, unanimous, that which lasts for a short time, transitory, the absence of law and order, anarchy, the act of killing a king, regicide, the act of killing one's wife, uxoricide, the act of killing whole group of people, especially a whole race, genocide, the act of speaking about one's thought when one is alone, soliloquy, the action of looking within or into one's own mind, introspect, the art of delaying, procrastination, the art of making maps and charts, cartography, the art of preserving skin of animals, birds and fish, taxidermy, the branch of medical science which deals with the problem of the old, geriatrics, the conference that takes place once in 3 years, triennial, the doctrine that human souls pass from one body to another at the time of death, transmigration, the essential of characteristic customs, habits, and convention of a society or community, mores, the firing of many guns at the same time to make an occasion, fusillade, the first model of a new device, prototype, the first public speech delivered by a person, maiden speech, the first speech made by a person, maiden, the height of an objective above sea level, altitude, the line where the land and sky seems to meet, horizon, the murder of parents or near relative, parricide, the part of government which is concerned with making of rules, legislature, the plant and vegetation of a region, flora, the policy of extending of a country's empire and influence, imperialism, the practice of having many wives, polygamy, the practice of submitting a proposal to popular vote, referendum, the practice of or art of choosing, cooking, and eating good food, gastronomy, the process by which a person or an organization reduces the amount of money it spends, budgeting, the process by which plants and animals breathe, respiration, the process of deciding the nature of disease by examination, diagnosis, the production of raw silk, sericulture, the quality of being politely firm and demanding, assertive, the scientific study of election, psephology, the study of ancient civilization, archaeology, the study of birds, ornithology, the study of plant life, botany, the study of religion and religious ideas and beliefs, theology, the study of the origin and history of words, etymology, the study of worms and insects, entomology, the study or collection of coins, numismatics, the study or practice of dancing or composing ballets, choreography. The use of many words where only a few are necessary. Circumlocution. The worship of idols or images. Idolatry. Theft of another person's writing or ideas and passing them off as one's own. Plagiarism. Thing that can be felt or touched. Palpable. Those who do malicious damage. Saboteurs. Through which light cannot pass. Opaque. To accustom oneself to a foreign climate. Acclimatize. Acclimatize. To bite like a rat. Gnaw. To cause troops, etc. to spread out in readiness for battle. Deploy. To conform with the help of evidence. Corroborate. To cut something into two pieces. Sever. To destroy completely. Annihilate. To die without having made a will. Intestate. To examine one's own thought and feeling. Introspection. To free completely from blame. Exonerate. To have a very high opinion about oneself. Conceited. To injure one's reputation. Defame. To look at someone in an angry or threatening way. Glower. To mediate between two parties in a dispute. Intercede. To officially take private property away, to seize. Confiscate. To play the part of and function as some other person. Impersonate. To reduce to noting. Null. To remove an objectionable part from a book. Expurgate. To renounce a high position of authority or control. Abdicate. To secretly store more than what is allowed. Hoard. To seize control of a vehicle in order to force it to go to a new destination or demand something. Hijack. To sleep with a flat object. Sweat. To struggle helplessly. Flounder. To supply land with water by artificial means. Irrigate. To take back, withdraw or renounce. Recant. To walk with slow or regular step is to pace. To write under a different name. Pseudonym. Too much official formality. Red tapeism. Tough tissues and joints. Ligaments. Trouble and annoy continually. Harass. Unfair advantages for members of one's own family. Nepotism. Use of force or threats to get someone to agree to something. Coercion. Very dramatic. Histrionic. Very pleasing to eat. Palatable. Violation of something holy and sacred. Sacrilege. Wild and noisy disorder. Pandemonium. With much liveliness and a sense of purpose. Jauntily. Without risk of punishment. Impunity. Word that reads the same as backward or forward. Palindrome. Words inscribed on a tomb. Epitaph. Words utter impiously about God. Blasphemy. Write or crave words on stone or paper. Inscribe. Written law of a legislative body. Statute. Yearly celebration of a date or an event. Anniversary.